Every day, millions of people around the world take omega-3 supplements, but very few have ever seen how fish oil is actually made. Today, we take you inside a modern fish oil factory to reveal the complete journey. Freshly harvested fish arrive at the factory and are immediately transferred into automated washing systems. High-pressure water sprays and rotating brushes remove dirt, blood, and surface impurities. Preparing the fish for processing under strict hygiene standards. The cleaned fish are mechanically ground into small pieces and gently cooked.
Temperature is holding steady at 90.
Good. Maintain the stirring steam for another 10 minutes.
This controlled heating breaks down cell structures, allowing valuable oils to be released while preserving essential nutrients. The cooked mixture is compressed in powerful hydraulic presses. Crude fish oil begins to separate from solids and water. High-speed centrifuges then spin the liquid, further separating pure oil from remaining impurities.
The crude fish oil is transported via these overhead pipelines towards the advanced filtration system, separating.
The extracted oil is transferred into large separation tanks where water and residual solids settle out. Only the upper layer of oil continues forward in the process. Next, the oil passes through multi-stage filtration systems that remove microscopic particles. With each stage, the oil becomes clearer, lighter, and purer. To eliminate strong odors and unwanted volatile compounds, the oil is gently heated under vacuum conditions.
The deodorized fish oil now moves toward the final polishing and stabilization.
This step produces a clean, neutral-smelling oil suitable for human consumption. Laboratory testing confirms purity, stability, and omega-3 concentration before approval. The finished oil is stored in oxygen-controlled stainless steel tanks to prevent oxidation and maintain freshness. The purified oil is fed into softgel encapsulation machines. Liquid gelatin sheets form around precise doses of oil, creating thousands of uniform capsules every minute. The capsules are gently dried, polished to a glossy finish, and inspected by optical cameras. Only perfect capsules move forward. Approved capsules are weighed, sealed into large food-grade bags, and packed into boxes for wholesale distribution. Finally, sealed cartons are palletized, wrapped, and loaded onto trucks, ready to be shipped to supplement manufacturers and markets around the world. This is how modern factories transform raw fish into the omega-3 supplements used by millions every day.